Yes po, Doc. Habol na lang po yung iba.
Okay, sige. Okay. So let's start now. So before we proceed to the central nervous system proper, so we need to know, okay, we need to discuss the development of your nervous system. Saan ba galing? So saan ba galing? Saan ba galing ang brain? Saan ba galing tong spinal cord? Saan ba galing tong CNS? Saan ba galing tong PNS? Okay? Pag hindi nyo marinig, i-interrupt nyo lang ako, okay?
Yes po, Doc.
Okay. Okay, uh, so this is your neural tube formation, okay? The development of your nervous system, okay? As well, any systems and organs in the human body, okay? It is all started from, syempre, fertilization, okay? And from that, development will occur, okay? So, what, ano yung ano yung process in which nagfo-form ka ng neural tube? So, ano yung process, what is the process by which the neural tube is formed? So, anong tawag doon? Kasi in in nervous system, magbubuo ka ng isang tube, neural tube. Yun yung goal mo. Okay? In embryology, yun ang goal ng sa nervous system. So, ano yung process na yun?
Relation po.
Ah?
New relation po, Doc.
Neurulation. Okay, neurulation. Okay? Okay? So, neurulation is the, sinabi ko, process by which the neural tube is formed. Okay? Remember that the process of neurulation gives to the brain and spinal cord. Okay? Neurulation, the process, wait lang. Paano ba ito? Sumusulpot tong mga kon. Okay. Is the process by which the neural tube is formed. Okay? So, tawag nito. The process of neurulation will gives, okay, off to your brain and your spine. So, ito yung 3 steps nila sa neural tube formation. You have, unang-una is your neural plate. Okay, the neural plate, the neural groove. Okay, hanggang sa mabubuo na ang iyong neural tube. Okay, ito na yung neural tube. Okay? So, Arguelles, Anton, Ruby. Arguelles, Anton.
Yes po, Doc.
Okay. So, can you answer this one question? The nervous system develops from which germ layers? It is in the mesoderm, the endoderm, the ectoderm, myoderm, or none of the above.
Doc, try lang po. Ectoderm po ba?
Ectoderm. Okay,
Yes
so
po, Doc.
the correct answer is your ectoderm. Okay? Sorry. Ayan. Okay. So, this is a Maslow slide. So, ito, lumalabas sa boards itong mga to. Ang kung ng mga board examiner, magbibigay sila ng mga organs tapos i-classify mo sila kung anong cell layer siya. Kung sa endoderm, sa mesoderm, or ectoderm, or pwede rin naman kung ano yung mga organs, okay, organ system makikita mo sa iba't ibang cell layer. Okay? Basta lungs. Okay? Sa endoderm. Yan. And yung tanong kanina, the entire nervous system is your ectoderm. Okay? Pag sa cardiovascular, sa heart, asan siya?
Mesoderm po.
Your mesoderm. Okay? Your mesoderm. Okay? So, yun. So, before the development of your nervous tissues, there are three main cell layer. Okay, the three main cell layer becomes differentiated. So, ito yan. The endoderm. Okay? Tapos na kayo sa medical term nyo, ha? Ectoderm, medical prefix ecto is outside. Di ba? Ectoderm, outside. Okay? Mesoderm is within. So, inside. Okay? And endoderm is inside. So, ito. Endoderm. Okay? Nervous system, endoderm. Respiratory system, endoderm. Sorry. Nervous, ectoderm. Endoderm ang respiratory system. Cardiovascular system, mesoderm. Okay? So, another important to note is that itong ectoderm. So, syempre, ito yung mga ectodermal cells. Diba? Itong mga ectodermal cells that is overlaying the notochord. So, itong notochord kasi galing ito sa mesoderm. Okay? I-note nyo lang yan na, notochord, mesoderm. Okay? Kasi sila yung magpo-form ng thickened neural plate. So, yun discuss ko naman. Okay? Sige, wait lang. So, endoderm, GI tract, their lungs and liver. Okay? Largest organ. Ano ba yung largest organ sa katawan?
Skin po.
Ha?
Skin po.
Depende
Skin
sa
po.
iba, pwede kasing skin and or liver. Pero pag sa internal is the liver. Pag external organ is your skin. Okay? So, mesoderm give rise of your muscles, your connective tissues, and your vascular system. While your ectoderm, the outermost layer, will give rise to your entire nervous system. Okay? So, first, so neural plate. Neural plate, neural groove, neural tube. Yun lang yun. Plate, groove, tube. Plate, groove, tube. So, it is formed during the third week of your fetal life. So, appears as slippered shaped plate of thickened ectoderm. So, yun. Kanina. So, parang chinelas siya, di ba? So, this is actually a large placode. So, it is a local thickening in the embryonic ectodermal layer that develops in a sensory organ production. So, ito yan. So, ano yung sinabi natin sa mesoderm kanina? Mesoderm.
Nagra-rise yung notochord daw.
Okay, very good. The mesoderm cells differentiate into a cord structure that is called your notochord. Okay, ito, notochord. Okay. Ano yan? Kasi the importance ng notochord, later kasi, okay, it will form later in life your anong tawag dun na sa intervertebral disc, your nucleus pulposus. Okay, your nucleus pulposus dun sa intervertebral disc. So, this is the notochord. So, ano sabi natin kanina sa neurulation? Neurulation is the
process by which the neural
Process
tube
of
is
neural
formed.
tube formed.
okay. So, Neurulations, yung process kung saan magbubuo ka ng isang neural tube. Okay? Remember that your notochord, okay, that the notochord starts the process of neurulation. Okay? Your notochord starts the process of your neurulation. Okay? Ay, neurulation. Okay? Tama ba? Neurulation. Tama. Okay. Bakit? Paano siya parang ito yung trigger eh. So, ini-induce niya kasi yung change ng, ito yung neural plate. Okay? This is the notochord. So, the notochord, di ba, starts the process of neurulation by inducing a change in your ectoderm above it. So, di ba, saan ba galing yung one? Di ba, your nervous tissue sa ectoderm. Okay? So, tandaan nyo, it formed during ilang weeks of fetal life.
Third
Third
po.
week po, Doc.
Okay, third week of fetal life. Okay? So, after nyan, ano na ang next? Pag the cells in the neural plate, at yung mga cells in the neural plate will proliferate. Okay? So, such that magde-depress yan. Okay? So, ayan na yung neural groove nyo. Okay? Mag-neural groove na. So, ito na. So, neural groove, okay? The proliferation of cells is faster in the periphery than the central portion. Okay? So that the neural groove depends until it is bounded on both sides by the neural fold. So, ang sabi, yung neural plate nyo daw, mas faster yung proliferation ng periphery. Okay? Okay? So, pag nagkaroon ng proliferation of your ectodermal cell layers, okay? Ectodermal, your nervous tissue kung saan siya galing, di ba? Will forms a depression, the center, and that's you call the neural groove. Okay? So, yan. So, ano yung start ng ng neural plate formation nyo?
Notochord po, Doc.
Hindi, your start. Ano yung ilang weeks?
Third week.
Third week po, Doc.
Okay,
Third
very
week.
good. So, by the end of your third week, okay, yung lateral edges niya ngayon, okay, itong neural plate ang pinag-usapan natin, ha. So, by the end of your third week, okay, the lateral edges of your ectodermal, okay, or your ectoderm, okay, becomes elevated. Okay? And will form a neural folds. Magpo-fold sila. Okay? So yung depressed mid region, ito, is called your neural groove. Okay? So the whole layer ulit, di ba? The whole layer is called the neural plate of your ectoderm. Okay? So let's go to your neural tube na. So from neural plate, mag-groove na siya. Okay? Then, so what is this? Your neural tube. Tandaan nyo hindi lahat ng ectodermal cell layer or your ectodermal cells will uh, in your neural fold, okay, will contribute to the formation of your neural tube. So hindi lahat ng ectodermal cell layers magiging magko-contribute siya sa formation ng iyong neural tube. Hindi. Because yung mga iba na yon is magiging neural crest. Okay, neural crest. So, basta yun lang muna ang intindihin nyo na hindi lahat, okay, not all cells on your neural folds in the not all cells in the neural folds, okay, will contribute to the formation of your neural tube. Okay, kasi yung mga iba sa kanila will contribute to the formation of your neural crest, neural rest cells. So, iba naman yun. Basta yun na muna ngayon. Baka maguluhan kayo. Neural crest. Okay, pag-uusapan natin ang neural crest pag nasa ENS tayo. Okay? Ang sabi nila, okay, yung closure daw ng neural folds, ba, neural folds, di ba? Yung pag-close niya daw, ito, di ba? Yung mag-close yan, di ba? Yan, wait lang. Okay, yan. Mag-close yan hanggang maging neural tube, di ba? Sabi nila, yung formation daw, okay, yung closure ng neural folds nyo initially occurs at the center and will continue cephalically and caudally. Okay? So, thus, yung last na mag-close is yung ano, yung last na nag-close is are the areas of the head and your caudal parts. Okay? Kaya for example, yung mga may problema, okay, sa kunya, your neural tube defects, di ba? Kung may tawag nito, merong ah, problema sa closure ng neural tube, 'di ba? Hindi nag-close yung neural tube. So ano yung mga ito yung mga neural tube defects. So ito yung mga sakit, okay? Yung mga kondisyon kung saan mas ang unang naapektuhan is the brain and your spinal cord because sila yung last na mag-close eh. So kung hindi yan na-close, kung hindi yung neural folds hindi naging neural tube or hindi na-close yan para maging neural tube. Okay, so ang implication niyan, nagkakaroon ka ng mga diseases or disorders of your brain and your spinal cord. Okay, gets? Okay. So initially, the neural tube is connected to the amniotic cavity anteriorly via the anterior neuropore and posteriorly via your posterior neuropore. Okay, ito, nice to know na lang yan. Okay. Anterior pore close at 8 to 20, somite stage, or nice to know lang to, nice to know. Okay. So, next, anterior part, so, yung anterior part daw will enlarge to primary brain vesicle. So, tandaan nyo it's the anterior part, not the posterior part, okay, that will enlarge to form your primary brain vesicles. So, ano yung mga primary brain vesicles nyo? Let's talk about it later on, okay? Okay. Okay, ayan na pala. Ayan yung sinasabi ko. So, your neural tube defects. So, these are birth defects of the brain and your spinal cord. Bakit? Rasyonal eh. Akanya. Akana. John Mark.
Doc, reiterate ko na yung sinabi mo kanina.
Mm-mm.
Because of the hindi nagkaroon ng complete closure of the neural folds at saka hindi pa siya nag-turn into neural tube.
So, bakit din? Bakit din brain and spinal cord? Because the last one to close are the
Head and caudal parts.
okay, yun. Kaya gano'n. So, kung magkaroon ng problema, is it the caudal part and the head? Okay, your head and your caudal part will be affected. Okay? So, NTD ang tawag namin dito. Your NTD, mga neural tube defects. Okay? So, birth defects of the brain and spinal cord. So, failure of the normal fusion of your neural plate to form your neural tube during the first 20 days following conception. Okay? So, the most common na mga NTDs TDs, okay, we have your ancephaly and your spinal bifida. Okay? Ano ba yung spinal bifida na yan? Anong spinal bifida? So, ayan, spinal bifida yan. Ito yung ancephaly, walang brain. Okay? Kung tatanungin niyo ako kung nagsusurvive ba tong mga ganito, yung mga ancephaly patients, hindi. Ito, pwede pa. Or, okay, sa surgery, pwede yan. Tanggalin yung bukol. So, ano ba ang spinal bifida?
Doc, yung parang nasa unang peak po na nagkakaroon ng defect sa spinal cord niya.
So, ano nga? So, ano ang spinal bifida?
Incomplete closure of spinal column po ba?
Okay. So, ano yung, what is the most common? Okay, kung tinanong ko kayo, under your spinal bifida, so what types of spinal bifida is the most common?
Doc, spina bivida
Spinal
occulta po.
bifida occulta po, Doc.
Occulta. Okay, so occulta. Ang spinal bifida occulta kasi, okay, yung mga spine, ba spinal cord yung naapektuhan. So, yung mga spines ng spinal cord or mga spines and parts, okay, absent yung yun. Walang absent yung mga yun, okay? But the spinal cord itself and nerve roots are usually normal. So, pwedeng-pwede yan i-operahan. Okay? But in ancephaly kasi, sabi ancephaly, ancephaly, ang ancephaly, di ba, the greater part, okay, the greater part of the brain, okay, ano, wala siyang brain, wala siyang utak, okay? The greater part of the brain and the vault of the skull is absent, okay? Siyempre, that is caused by the failure of the rostral end of the neural tube to develop. So, it's loose, okay? Okay. Most of the anencephalic infants, tawag namin pag mga ganito mga anencephalic infants are stillborn. So patay na yan. Pag baby out, patay na. Ancephalic. Okay, ganun. Or die shortly after birth. So pwede naman na ipanganak ng baby, then after a few minutes or a few hours, mamamatay talaga yan. Okay? So the mortality is very high. So napaka-importante. Okay, sino yung may mga anak na dito? Or mga buntis? May mga buntis ba tayo dito? Wala na, wala? Or may mga anak na? O sino yung may mga anak na lang?
Doc, wala po rito.
Ay, wala po. Ay, sorry. Ay, ano, ilang taon na ba kayo?
Doc, 2219 po.
Okay, mga ganun pala. So, napaka-importante ang kwanyo pag sa mga later on kung nanganak na ay nabuntis ganun, okay? Kailangan ng prenatal check-up, okay? Dapat daily yan. Okay, hindi naman daily. So, it's by schedule na prenatal check-up. Okay? Hanggang sa mabuntis dapat ba? Okay? So, for the prevention, ito yung binibigay namin for first trimester or hindi pa nga or dapat kung plano mo daw magbuntis, dapat mag-take ka ng folic acid. It will prevent this neural tube defects sa mga patients. So, di ba bakit? ito kasi ito folic acid kasi 'di ba napaka nito na 400 mcg na or ang folic acid kasi anong vitamin to? Vitamin,
B9 po, Doc.
'di ba? Your vitamin B9. 'Di ba? Your vitamin B9 sa para ang mga vitamin B sa mga green leafy vegetables, 'di ba? Pwede. Okay. So, ano ba? Very important kasi yung folate, 'di ba? As a cofactor of your DNA and RNA synthesis. So, hindi lang 'yun. So, very complex ang folate. Okay? So, uh, it is advised to have yung mga planong magbuntis or yung mga more especially yung mga nasa first trimester na mag-take ng folic acid. Okay? Okay? So, huwag muna tayo magbalak magbuntis ngayon. Okay? Aral muna tayo. Okay? So, this is your formation of your neural tube. Ayan. Ayan. So, diba? Anong sabi natin sa neural tube? Hindi lahat ng mga ectodermal cells magpo-form ng ifo-form niya as a tube. So, ito, yung mga iba, nagpo-form ng neural crest. Okay? Okay? So, the fusion of your neural folds form your neural tube. Okay? Yan. So, yun sabi natin, di ba? At the end of your third week, the neural plate will give rise of your neural fold. So, either at the end, okay, forming the depression in the midline that is called your neural groove. So, eventually, the neural folds will approach each other. Yan. And fuse. Okay, converting the neural plate into your neural tube. Okay, I hope that's clear. Okay. So, ganyan. Okay. So, ano ulit yung process na kwan in which you are forming a neural tube?
Neurulation.
Okay, so
Neurulation.
new relations. Okay. Another representation of your kwan, a plate, then magkakaroon ng folds because of the groove, then maglo-close. Kung hindi maglo-close yan, magkakaroon ng neural tube defects. Okay. Your notochord. Saan galing ang notochord?
Meso po.
Mesoderm. Okay. Okay, let's go to your development of your spinal cord. Okay. Okay. Remember ulit, okay, that your neural tube differentiates into your CNS. Pag sinabi natin CNS, we're talking about your
Brain.
and
Brain and spinal
And
cord.
brain.
Spinal
spinal.
cord.
Okay, your brain and spinal cord. CNS, your brain and your spinal cord. So, in with this neuroepithelium, so ito yung mga yung walls, 'di ba? Yung wall nung pa nagbigay na nagkuan na siya, tube na siya. So the wall of the recently closed neural tube is consists of this neuroepithelial cells. Okay? So neuroepithelial cells extends over the entire thickness of the wall and form a thick pseudostratified epithelium. Okay? Constitutes the neural tube and has an external and internal limiting membrane. So ano yan? Okay? nice to know, itong mga external, internal limiting membrane, ito yung mga, sa pag-external limiting membranes, ito yung sa basal membrane ata, for sure, pero parang basal membrane sa external limiting membrane, while your internal limiting membrane naman, ito yung mga nyo, yung mga mitotic active cells, okay, or ovoids, mitotic active cells, okay? So, your neuroepithelium will give rise, okay? Tandaan nyo your neuroepithelium will give rise to your ependymal layer, mantle, and your marginal layer. Ependymal, mantle, and marginal. Okay. So, ano yung ependymal layer? So, ependymal layer is your innermost layer. So, it develops into your ependymal layer. Okay? Wait. Mag-charge lang ako, mag-charge. Okay. Next. Your mantle layer naman. So, mantle layer, middle layer. Okay, ependymal, outer. Ay, inner ba yun? Inner pala, sorry. Ependymal, inner. Mantle is middle layer. Okay. So, it consists of primitive nerve cell called your neuroblasts. Okay. Your neuroblasts are a large round nucleus with pale nucleoplasm and dark staining. Okay, so as you can see in your histopath. So, it is the mantle layer in which you develops into gray matter. Okay, it's the gray matter. Gray matter, mantle layer. So, and then the mantle layer are parang para silang mga new neurons. So, the mantle layers are new neurons. Okay? It contains cell bodies uh, in which ano ba yun? They make up this gray matter. Okay? Okay? Your mantle layer, gray matters. Okay? Nagets ba? Nagets naman?
Yes, Doc.
Okay, your mantle layer are new neurons. Okay? It contains your cell bodies kasi, di ba? New neurons, they contain your cell bodies, okay? Which is why they make up uh they make up the gray matter. Okay? While your marginal layer, okay, is the outermost, consists also of neuroblast processes and contains nerve fibers emerging from the nucleoblast in the mantle layer. So it develops into your white matter. Okay? Pag naalala nyo itong white matter, ano yung process na pumapasok sa isip?
Myelination.
Yan, very good. So, as a result of your myelination of nerve fibers, okay? So, this layer takes on a white appearance and therefore is called the white matter, syempre, of the spinal cord. Okay? Between your brain pala and your spinal cord, asaan si Kwan? Saan mo makikita si gray matter? Sa brain, sa labas ba siya, outer or inner? Is it nasa labas or nasa loob?
Inner po.
Inner ang gray matter sa brain?
Doc, sa brain ko, yung gray matter is nakalocate po siya sa outer layer, Doc.
Okay. Okay, outer layer. While your white matter nasa loob. Kabaliktaran naman sa spinal cord. Kung saan white matter yung nasa labas, O white matter yung nasa labas, gray matter, gray yung nasa loob. Tama?
Yes, Doc.
Okay. Okay, let's go to your primary brain vesicles. So ano to? So yun, okay na. Nakabuo na tayo ng neural tube. Okay, let's go. Okay? So ano na? So ang next natin is itra-transform natin yung neural tube into brain vesicles. Okay? So ito. Okay? So kaya. So the anterior part, anong sabi natin kanina? Between your anterior and posterior, is it the anterior part? Ayan, no? It's the anterior part of your neural tube will enlarge and form your primary brain vesicles. Okay? So the anterior part becomes much more larger than the caudal part. Makes sense kasi laki-laki ng brain, yung spinal cord mo is maliit. Okay? Ay, ganyan, di ba? Mahaba. Okay? So once the neural tube has closed, di ba? The three primary vesicles will complete their development. So what are these three primary vesicles? Okay, you have your forebrain vesicles, your midbrain vesicles, and your hindbrain vesicles. So tandaan nyo yung mga kanila. Pag forebrain ang tawag dyan,
Prosencephalon, Doc.
okay, your prosencephalon. Prosencephalon. Midbrain is mesencephalon. Hindbrain is your rhombencephalon. Okay? Okay, let's go to your second brain vesicles naman. Okay? So by the 5th week, okay? So during the 5th embryonic week, okay? Pag sinabi natin, sabi dito, the telencephalon and diencephalon arise from the prosencephalon. So ano yung pag sinabi natin four brain vesicles, ano yun? It is your
Prosencephalon, Doc.
okay,
Prosencephalon, Doc.
prosencephalon. Tandaan nyo yan, ha? Your forebrain vesicles or your prosencephalon will forms the telencephalon, okay, which forms the cerebellum, which is a derivative of your it forms pala. Kasi pag sinabi nating derivatives, I'm talking about your cerebellum. So, okay. So, your telencephalon forms the cerebrum. Okay, your diencephalon will compose of your thalamus, your hypothalamus, mga thalamus, okay, your subthalamus. Subthalamus, thalamus, hypothalamus is your diencephalon. Okay? And of course, your mesencephalon will form your midbrain. Okay? Nagets ba? What are your three primary brain vesicles na?
Prosencephalon, mesencephalon, and rhombencephalon, Doc.
Your PMR, di ba? PMR, prosencephalon, mesencephalon, and rhombencephalon. So, these are primary vesicle. So, itong prosencephalon will give rise to your telencephalon and your diencephalon. Okay? Itong mesencephalon naman, mesencephalon. Ay, ano yung M? Your prosencephalon, ano yung isa?
Mesencephalon, Doc.
Mesencephalon and your rhombencephalon, di ba? So, mesencephalon will forms the midbrain. Okay? So, tandaan nyo, midbrain to. Brain. Okay? Itong prosencephalon, it will give your prosencephalon, di ba, it will, tawag nito, give rise to your telencephalon and your diencephalon. So, ito yung tawag na forebrain. Forebrain. Mesencephalon, midbrain. Probencephalon is your hindbrain, di ba? Ayan. So, metencephalon naman and myencephalon arises from your rhombencephalon. Okay? Pag sa prosencephalon, ano? Anong ventricle yun?
Teles,
Telencephalon and
and
diencephalon.
diencephalon.
Okay. Okay. Your telencephalon, diencephalon. Okay. While your your rhombencephalon is your metencephalon and myelencephalon. Okay. Metencephalon, tandaan, very important. Ito yung pons nyo. Forms the pons and the cerebellum. Okay. While your myelencephalon, your medulla oblongata. Tandaan nyo yan kasi mga pertinent kwan ng respiratory system sa brain, your pons and medulla. Pons, metencephalon, medulla oblongata is your myelencephalon. Okay? Gets? Okay, your hindbrain vesicles, so your rhombencephalon will form your metencephalon and your myelencephalon. Okay? Metencephalon forms the pons and cerebellum, while myelencephalon forms the medulla oblongata. Okay? It is also important to note, guys, that the neural tube pala is filled with CSF. Okay? And is develops in a different brain structure. Okay? Kaya yun, for example, yung mga, hindi lang, pag nagkaroon ka ng neural tube defect kasi, hindi ka lang magkakaroon ng spinal bifida, which is too big yun. Okay? Your CSF yun. Yun yung laman nun, or ano yun? Pwede ka rin magkaroon ng, yun, anong tawag nun? Yung walang brain?
Ancephaly po.
Ancephaly, di ba? Or ancephaly, pwede rin naman may brain pero maliit, microcephaly. Pwede naman yung brain mo ang daming because hindi siya nag-close or may open, di ba? Your neural tube is filled with CSF, so pwede magkaroon ng hydrocephalus. Okay? So hindi lang dalawa yan. So it is most common lang yon, yung dalawa. Your spinal bifida and your anencephaly sa mga neural tube defects. Okay? So let's go to your ventricles. So like your heart, may mga ventricles din ang brain. So ano ba yung mga ventricles na yan? Mm. Anong ventricle? Anong meaning ng ventricles sa brain? Ba madami tayong mga yan, lateral,
Doc,
third
Doc,
Mm.
ito yung
Okay.
mga series ng interconnected cavities, Doc.
So it is a cavity. So pag sinabi nating cavity, it is pwede siyang maging potential space, di ba? That pwede siyang ma-fill ng, ano ba mag-fill dun sa mga spaces sa brain?
CSF po.
CSF. Okay? So each part has corresponding cavities or ventricles. So your lateral ventricles, okay, the cavity in each cerebral hemisphere. Third ventricle, cavity of your diencephalon. Okay, later on, ipapat natin yung CSF pathway. Okay? Your cerebral aqueduct or your aqueduct of Sylvius forms as the midbrain vesicles that grows at its cavity gets smaller. Also, we have your fourth ventricle, the cavity of your hindbrain. Okay. Midbrain, cerebral aqueduct of Sylvius. Hindbrain, rhombencephalon, fourth ventricle. Diencephalon, which is your saan ba siya galing? Ba sa prosencephalon, di ba? So, your third ventricle. Okay? And your interventricular foramina, so it connects the lateral ventricle with the third ventricle. So, may connections yan. Your interventricular foramina. Okay? Okay, yan. Okay. So, ang tandaan nyo yung kung saan sila galing, ha? Yung mga derivatives. Okay? Like for example, okay, saan ang derivatives ng medulla oblongata? Okay? So, saan? Your myelencephalon, di ba? Cerebellum, metencephalon. Pons, metencephalon. Okay? Pag midbrain, your mesencephalon, di ba? Prosencephalon to, ha? Prosencephalon, di ba? Magulon kayo ulit. Primary kasi secondary to. So, hindi binigay. O sige. So, ito, primary vesicle. Primary brain vesicle. Okay, tatlo yun, di ba? PMR. So, your telencephalon, diencephalon galing sa prosencephalon. So, mesencephalon, still mesencephalon. Then, metencephalon and myelencephalon, yung rhombencephalon. Diba? Okay. Tandaan yung mga adult brain structures and your adult neural canal neurons, yung mga ventricles. Okay? So, yan yung complete. From your neural tube, okay, your primary brain vesicle, your secondary brain vesicle, hanggang sa mag-postnatal CNS. Okay, hanggang ganyan. O, ayan pala yan. Okay. Must know slides. Okay. Subdivisions or ito sa your secondary brain vesicle. Secondary brain vesicle. Okay. Or brain o telencephalon, diencephalon, midbrain. Okay. And your hindbrain naman is your metencephalon and myelencephalon. Okay. May mnemonics ba kayo dyan? Wala. Sa akin is PMR or pag kasi P up P o yan or sige na. Pag primary, 'di ba? Primary. Pag sa akin kasi pag memorize ko tong ito, your itong primary tawag nito, your embryology sa ito yung palaging For example, may mga handout, ito palagi yung nasa nila, yung pinapakita nila. Kasi ito na yung lahat eh. Ito na yung lahat. Okay? So, pag prosencephalon, diba? Prosencephalon for brain. PR, primary. Diba? PR for primary. Okay? So, mesencephalon naman, mesencephalon, M for sa akin M kasi, so mid siya, di ba? Or mesa. Saan ba yung mesa, di ba? Sa gitna. So, yun. Always at the center of the room, parang ganun. So, midbrain, ba? And your rhombencephalon, your hindbrain, like rear. Okay? R for rear, so likod. Mga rear area ng sasakyan. PMR. Okay? So, pagpunta tayo dito sa subdivisions or your secondary divisions, so akin lang pag telencephalon, diba? Telepathy, diba? Sa sambang part ng brain pag sa telepathy is your cerebellum, diba? So, yan. Cerebrum, cerebellum, sorry. Cerebrum, diba? Diba? Yan, that's involved in your cerebral hemisphere. Okay. Na? Pag diencephalon naman, diba? Lahat din, mga thalamus. Thalamus. Ano ba yung thalamus? Di ba ito yung hunger and? Anong center to? Hunger and basta thalamus. Pag sinabing thalamus, dapat alam mo na to, your hunger and ano?
Thirst po, Doc.
Hunger and thirst? Or pwede rin. Or your
Appetite, Doc.
hunger and satiety, di ba? Your hunger and satiety center. So parang diencephalon, diet sounds like tea, diencephalon. So yun lahat yun, yung thalamus, hypothalamus, ano pa ba? Lahat ng thalamus, okay? So yan. Next, your mesencephalon, mid. Okay, mid. Yan, mid. Mesencephalon, mid. Pag metencephalon naman, okay, metal PC kasi ang kwan ko dito. Metal PC. So, metencephalon. Metal PC. Mhm. Metal PC. Yep. Or meron din mga iba na meet me at the Panbel. Meet me at the Panbel. Cerebel. Bell. Meet me at the Panbel. Okay. O pag myelencephalon naman, syempre, medalo oblongata. My meds from OB. Parang ganun. Well, ganun kasi ako mag-memorize. So, ewan ko sa inyo. Okay? I'm just sharing my kwan. Paano yung kwan ko. Okay? Well, iba-iba naman tayo. Okay? I'm just sharing my kwan. My mnemonics. Okay. Sige nga, kung kwan, may natutunan kayo. Jinky Pamitan. O, Jinky. Asan na si Jinky?
Yes, Doc.
Okay. Okay, answer mo nga
Doc.
to. Oo, answeran mo nga to. So, pons is derivative of what secondary brain specific? So, is it A, your myelencephalon, or B, your metencephalon, C, telencephalon, or D, your diencephalon?
Letter B po, Doc.
Okay, your metal PC, di ba? Metal PC, metal P, and your C naman cerebellum. Okay? Okay. Okay. So, anong oras na? Oras na. Okay. Siguro next bukas na to, baka information overload na kayo lahat. Ha? bukas scalp, meninges, saka your brain prep. Basta matapos dapat tayo ng brain this week para next week mag-spinal cord tayo. Okay? Kailan ang exam nyo?
25, 26 po yung nasa calendar ng midterms. For midterms po.
25, 26. Wait na. Sakto lang. Tapos bakasyon na kayo, no? May klase ba sa March 11?
Doc, wala pa naman pong sinasabi.
Pero Ramadan yun, di ba? Ramadan. Or
Depend-
start ng Ramadan, pero most ang naaalala ko pag ganyan, na walang pasok yung last week or yung last ng Ramadan, siguro. Yung Eid Fitr ata. Oh, well. Oh, sige. 25, 26. So, March 2, so scalp, meninges, wag na tayo mag-proceed kasi baka, okay, ang gawin nyo kasi, technique niya, after ng lecture, okay, i-browse nyo ulit yung mga kwan, basahin nyo ulit, mga kwan, tapos, yun na, matulog na kayo, then after that, basahin nyo ulit, then, at least makakwan nyo rin, pag binabasa nyo, okay? Hindi yung magbabasa lang kayo dahil may exam, or magbabasa lang kayo, or may quizzes, ganun. Okay? So, next week, bukas, your scalp, short topic lang din naman to, your scalp, your meninges, and your brain proper. Okay? Then, March 9, tama? Next natin, Angelo.
Yes po, Doc.
Okay,
I know
sir.
po.
Ah.
March 8 po, Doc. Friday.
Hindi, pag Friday kasi, kwan tayo, FRT. Nag-neuro lang tayo kasi parang nag-full na FRT tayo last week.
Yes po, Doc. If for
Ah.
is March 9 po.
Sige. So, March 9 is your spinal cord tayo. Okay? Okay, or dalawang meeting sa spinal cord din. O, sakto lang. Any question? Wala pa yung mga professor nyo dyan sa CSU? Wala yung mga RT faculty? Wala talaga sila.
Si Sir Nico pa lang po meron.
Si Sir Nico pa. Okay. Meron na si Nico, si Sir Nico.
Yes po, Doc.
Now, pero wala sila last week. Nauna lang siyang umuwi, parang ganun.
This week lang din po sila umalis, pero bumalik din po agad si Sir Nico po.
Okay. Okay, bukas pala, 2 lang din tayo bukas. 2 to 4. Maximize natin yung oras ng... Okay. Any question? Angelo, nasa yung mga output.
Yes po, Doc. Nasa akin po.
Sige, kunin ko pag pumunta ako dyan,
Wala yung ano.
Or,
Sige po, Doc.
wag mo lang ibigay kay Ma'am yung Krisha, kunin ko na lang sa'yo. Okay? Hindi pa ako pumunta dyan. Hindi pa ako pumunta ng Tugigaraw kasi.
Kailan niyo po ulit kukunin, Doc?
Ano ba? Ikaw na lang kita, chat na lang kita,
Sige po, Doc. Noted po.
Sige. So, open cam para makita ko naman kayo. So, wala kayong pasok ngayon. Meron. Ito lang.